Okay, we are back again. On this one is Edo State. A man cried out. A man that was arrested for nothing. A man that was bundled to cell for state CID for about 11 days for doing nothing. Allegedly, according to his story, you are going to be listening to it. From there, they took him all the way to Oko in Edo State. Proper prison, prisoner's prison for doing nothing. This story will touch you. The reason why this particular story needs to be shared, to avoid others from falling victim. It could be your brother, it could be anybody, it could even be you that is in Nigeria or in diaspora that will visit Nigeria. This kind of story should be abolished, should be forbidden, and should be speak against at all time. Let's watch this.
My name is Mudashiru Ajose. I'm from Lagos State, Akoko, from Lagos Island. But I was born and brought up in Benin. All my life now for Benin here. So I did drive a keke napep for Santana Market to Upper Side. Since when BCC I finished school, now that work with the work when BCC I do. So unfortunately, on the 2nd, which is on Friday of May 2025, as I go eat, I come back from here, I go eat. So I was trying to unload my keke. I just see some men just bracket me. One drive ML 2011 model. The glass they tinted. Now there the guy for come out. As he come out, he just blocked me. He say you're under arrest. Before I know like this, 2 other minibus don't come with policemen. So I just stand. I was confused. I don't know what I want to talk. Then the next thing, I ask him, say which station? He say na state CID. Now I tell one of my friends there, they say, my brother, now state CID, they carry me, they go. Don't say okay. As I enter inside the bus, they put handcuff for my hand. Straight direct to state CID. CID jail, they bring me out. Carry me to one office. First office when I enter, he bring out his phone. He show me my pictures. I say, na me be this. He show me, he asked me, say, which ass this? I say, this ass, he asked me, so na my in-law ass. Now they have for snap this picture, but he don't take. He did my Facebook account. So then, he dropped the phone. So the next thing I see, they carry me again for bus. To my house, straight. As I reach my house, I open the gate. I call my sister, children, see me, they open the gate. They open the gate, we enter inside the house. Immediately, we enter the parlor, my sitting room. Now the policeman say, may I just cooperate with them? Anywhere where I put the gun, make I bring and come out. After I say, okay, me I not go get cutlass. Doctor say gun. So they begin to search everywhere. Search my room, enter my room, I follow there, enter the sitting room, check the AC, enter the kitchen, then they enter the ceiling, the roof. They search everywhere. After they search finish, they didn't see anything. Turn the shelf upside down. They come ask me, they stay the other apartment. I say, my junior brother, but he's not there around. They still enter my junior brother apartment. They search everywhere. After they search everywhere finish, the next thing, they put me for bus. Back to state CID. As I reach this state CID, there is now one man come. He said, why I still get my clothes? If they put the shirt on my body, when they put the shirt on my body, then they put the shirt. The guy, they remove the handcuff before. See me, they handcuff me. They remove the cloth from my body. After I remove the cloth finish, they put the handcuff. They carry me, I follow them, they go. We enter upstairs. It's in our DC office with this. I enter there. He bring out one, he bring out the phone. After he ask me my name, everything, I answer that. He bring out a phone. He still show me same pictures. After he show me the picture, I say, this one is my picture. He show me another fresh picture when I take. I say, yes. I say, nah, this one did my profile. Then the next thing, he can't show me one more picture. See what I know this man, I say, I don't know. He show me another man picture. See what I know him, I say, I don't know. He show me another one. That's why I don't know all those people. It's okay. He say, where me they work? I tell him, say, nah, keke. Now they work. Then after I don't ask me questions finish, one of the police officers come slap me from back on my neck. So I fall down. Then later on, yes, we're inside the DC office. So they ask me many people some kind of names. I say I don't know. They come to say why I congratulate. I say I congratulate somebody for Facebook. I say me I don't know who I congratulate you, but I know say person buy car, you will congratulate him. Whether you know whether you don't know him. Whether that person marry, if you do marriage, you will congratulate the person. So, but me, I don't know the actually person when you say I congratulate because na Facebook account with that. Next is okay. Then the next thing they take me out. From there, take me out straight. Because then when they don't come, me I don't even know what they do. They don't even tell me why they arrest me. Self. I don't know why they arrest me. But when the guy take my statement, I explained just as well. This is explained from Santana to State CID, from State CID to my house. He can't tell whether me na Curtis. I said I not be Curtis too. He asked me whether I dey carry Curtis for my keke. I tell him say me I not dey carry Curtis for my keke. The next thing now, he carry me down from the DC office, now straight direct to the inside cell. That first day pass, second day pass. People they come dey greet me there. They ask after me. So but some people ask me say, what did you do? What did be your offense? I say me I don't know. I see they ask me so me I don't know. The thing they surprise many people. Who be your IPO? They say, I say, I don't know as me and you they talk so. They read any petition for you before they carry you entire year. So I say they don't read any petition for me. 5 days, about 4 days, 5 days pass. Some sort of people can't come. They can't ask me, say, whether I'm going to move that shit. Yes, I said I knew. They say, waiting, some kind of matter, ask me questions about my own self. They say, whether they tell me what I do. I say no. Some men they ask me this question. They tell me what I do. I say no. They read any petition for you. I say no. So they say make they take me back to the cell. Now so they carry me go back to cell. I come they stay there 10 days. Nothing soever. So the day when they be on the 12th of this May, they come bring all of us out. They bring us out. They say na court we dey go. Say well, thank God. As we reach the place, carry us for some. Some people bring food. They give us. We eat food. After we eat finish, they take us to court. Back all of us. Blessed that will be 32 in number. Carry us reach the court. We sit down for ground for front of the court like this. The next thing, they say now, they all bring boss come. They say now, Oko will they go. Carry us reach Oko like this. We all will sit down for ground. Take our names, our address, everything. After I take our names and address finish, the next thing, put us for line. Inside Oko direct. Sure. Then the next morning again, after I drop our head finish, for inside the said our head with blade, our BS, they carry us back to that reception for the Oko. We sit down there. After they wear us the green shirts, come take our biometry about our own self, snap us left and right. So there again, they take us back to the cell. Not do. I spent at least from on the second when they carry me to the day when BCC they grant me bail out of the prison. I spent 29 days. Now take come out, so my brothers. So it matters. I spent that day is 11 days. I spent 11 days for police station. For State CID. And 11 days I spent because they carry me on the 2nd. They released me from that place to court on the 12th. On the 12th. No, they're not who carry us enter inside the court. We just sit down for ground. We sit down for ground for outside. They're not who carry us enter inside the court. Now just the outside. We all sit down for the 32 of us.
So now I don't state police command arrest you.
Yes, now they arrest me.
No, now who arrest you?
Now I don't state police command. For State CID, now they can't arrest me.
Which department?
Ego surveillance. Now ego surveillance, now they can't arrest me.
Your IPO.
And up to the me, I don't know my IPO.
Don't know your name.
I don't know your name. I don't know your name. I don't see any IPO. Only the person won't take my statement from there when I know. After they carry me come, now I be William. Now William, I take my statement. But when my people say they go to meet him, he say not being the IPO.
They say the allegation. They say you have some people that conspire to the person. You know those people they say that.
Me, I don't know anybody like that.
No, talk the story for yourself.
And they say me I gather with some people because when we did that court then, I can't say I want peace. I say I want peace. When I come out from that very place, I can't see my lawyer because I don't know her before. He can't show me the paper. He say now the people, my casemate, now be this. I can't say our casemate. He be theory. He say now 8 charges. Now they put for my head. Now I can't say me get casemate. Now let me want the arrest too. So then she left. After I ease myself, I go back to that same straight position when BCC they say make I sit down.
Those people they say be your casemate, you see them.
The people I say that be my casemate. I see 2 other boys. Yeah, they say yes. I see them. They say that be my casemate.
You know them?
Yes, I know them. I know them for face. I know them.
Where you know them?
I know now. As I carry us from that place there, when they mention their name because I saw the name when they the paper when the lawyer come bring up for me. I saw the paper.
So you know them before that day?
I don't know all those people. I never see them for my life before.
Okay, now for tell station about court.
Now for that place I for see them.
Which place?
For court. For station now I for first see them, but I don't know say now they're my casemate. Now when they don't show us when we don't show up for court, when they can't show me the names, when I see the names, Now come say, okay, now these two other guys, now they say be my kismet. Me, I don't know them before.
You never talk to
I never see them before. I don't know them before for my life. I've not seen them before for my life.
What do I know? This is NAIJA Watch Media. Join us every day, 7 p.m. Nigerian time. Let's continue to talk about the things that affected you and I. Take care, guys, and bye for now.